Hi everyone, I am Josh. In this video, you will see a group of children get themselves into trouble for disobeying the police.
What is y'all doing?
We just saying.
Okay, but they don't saw y'all breaking stuff. Sir, get up.
Hey, wake him up. Wake him up.
Sir.
My nigga ain't did nothing. He
Get
just
up.
sitting there the whole time.
Sweetheart, if you ain't do nothing, be quiet.
Dang.
Y'all was breaking stuff. Y'all done broke wine bottles. It's on camera. They done shot y'all breaking stuff. Where y'all parents?
I ain't got no.
Why y'all not home or no park or something? This is not the spot. Kroger do not allow this. Y'all not supposed to be. Look, he already messing up the furniture.
That man's swamp. It ain't hard to fix. Come on, we might, right? Come on, y'all. We finna leave.
What you say? Y'all come here. Don't make this harder than what it has to be because y'all old enough to go. So sit down and listen to what we gotta say.
This officer talking to y'all, then stop moving. You understand me? I'm not gonna play with you because I know you already been kicked out of the mall today. Okay, time to leave. Get up, man. Time to go.
I heard you.
Let's go. That way. Out. Out.
We waiting on this.
Outside. I don't care. You leave. Okay?
Not too much of my sister though.
Let's go.
Tie my shoe.
I'm not worried about your shoe. You can tie that outside. Let's go. 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 Go.
You ain't working nowhere.
Come on. Let's go.
You ain't working nowhere.
Let's go. Time to
You
go.
ain't working nowhere.
Are you his parent?
I'm not his parent.
All right, then let's go.
Yeah, his parent. Yeah.
Let's go. I'm going to put you in handcuffs in a minute. Do you understand that?
Don't touch him again.
Excuse me? He's going to listen or he's going to go in handcuffs. Now let's go.
Look, I'm not even doing that. Look, I'm finna walk up.
4 Delta 2. Send me a couple more units. I got 6 juveniles that are being disorderly.
Never get off me.
Come here. Come here, sweetie. Sweetie. Come here. What's your name? I don't got a name. Listen here, sweetie. Let's not make this way.
Now, my
I understand, but y'all together, I'm getting everybody's name. Everybody else cooperating, you cooperate as well. What's your name?
Outside. I don't care who you're waiting on. Outside.
46 now.
Just trying to get them outside. They're not wanting to go and one's wanting to struggle with me.
I'm trying to get my
No. Put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
trying to get my balls.
Put your hand behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Now. Put your hands behind your back.
Somebody get this
No, you're not listening to me.
off me. Look, what is wrong with you? Let me.
I gave you orders.
Look, I don't give up. What the is wrong? Look, I don't give up. Look, get the off me. Fuck wrong with you? Get the off me.
4 Delta 2. Send me a unit 1018. One's wanting to fight with me. Go down.
No, you're doing that. Get the off me.
Get off of me or you're going to cuff too.
Get down.
Bye, y'all, bud. Got me up. No,
Get off of me.
Get on the ground. Okay, look at here. Here. Look at that. I'm trying to get. It's not meant to be gentle.
Watch out. Watch out.
What the? Look, get the off me.
Oh, my brother.
Look, get the man, what the? Stop.
Stand up.
Look, I can't.
Stand up.
Look what it is.
You can get up.
Watch out. He ain't going right out. Handcuffs on, man. Let go.
Let go.
Well, you get your goddamn hands off me.
Hey. my phone.
No, come here. Hey, just go. Just go.
Man, get the f off me, cop. I don't even move like that.
I don't got your phone. Let's
My
go.
phone is over there.
Come on, okay.
No idea. You need your phone? We ain't shopping anymore. So you can turn around and leave the store right there.
Phone. Shit.
Hey, where's your phone then?
I'm going to get it.
Where is it? We can help you find it.
Look, bro, I'm not getting in that car. Look, bro, can y'all please call y'all sergeant? Look, bro, no.
I am the sergeant.
Okay, look, bro. Look, bro, no, can y'all talk to me first, look? God damn.
If you want to go in handcuffs, keep it up or back off.
Back off.
Back off. Look, bro,
Get in the
You
car.
either get in or I'm throwing you in.
Listen,
You got
wait.
1 minute.
Look, bro, wait. Can y'all listen, please? Look, bro, these handcuffs.
Move your legs.
Get all the way in.
These handcuffs, man. Can you please?
We'll adjust them once you're in. Get in.
Okay, you cannot.
Get in.
You cannot push me.
Get in.
I can't. The f***ing buckler's behind me, sir. I was trying to, sir. What the f***? That hurt. My.
When I'm walking around looking at merchandise right
I
now,
don't want this here, cop.
you should be in handcuffs right now for assaulting my officer back there, okay? I'm giving you a chance to get your phone. If you're not going to get your phone, I'm going to take you outside and handcuff.
Go. Come on.
You think I'm doing?
Wherever you're at. Come on.
Damn, he's tweaking.
All right. Now let's get out. Come on. You don't need to fix it. They'll fix it.
Respect. I don't mess up.
Let's just go.
I ain't did. I walked in.
Go home. Go home.
Good, sir? Out of breath, but I'm good.
Where's the other one?
There's five others in there.
Webb and Cutter with him.
They're all out now.
Bro, what the? Bro, I was leaving.
Huh? He's going to be all right. There's 100 of us here. There's cameras. Are you going to Taco Bell or not? If not, or left, try to get their info.
I got their name.
Thank you.
What's your mama number?
She is him too.
Give me her number. I'll call her.
Ma'am, you have an ID on you, by chance?
Hey, listen. What's your brother's name? If you don't tell us, he's got to go to the jail. That's how that works.
Damn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You're on the beat for 4 people.
6.
She's not going to tell us either. They'll just have to
You want to go
fingerprint.
for it?
Come on, man. That makes sense.
Oh, where you going?
Oh, God. I'm going to walk with him.
Where you going?
Stop right there. You're not coming any closer. Stop and walk that way.
You can sit right there.
Say we can go over.
Walk that way.
The officer said we can go over.
No, you're not. Walk that way.
Officer said we can come over.
Who are you?
Officer McDonald.
The
Now walk
officer
that
said
way.
we can come over here.
64386. Walk.
That officer over there said we can come over here. You got pepper spray out like we are threatening. We just standing.
Walk that way.
2 of us, 3 of you.
Yo, what the f you mean? Y'all roll
Walk
the D.
that way.
1, 2.
1, 2, 3. What the
Walk that way now, or I'm going to put all 3 of you in handcuffs and you can join him in the car.
f?
All right?
Right here.
All right, turn around, put your hands in your back.
I'm not, don't touch me.
Nope,
I didn't
turn
do
around, put your hands in your
anything.
back.
Touch nobody. I ain't God. Like, what the f? Tighten up. I'm standing here.
No.
You can get out my this side.
Boss man, go ahead and put your lighter down for me.
Y'all doing?
Stand up.
But I'm just sitting down playing.
Behind your back. You're going to be under arrest too.
What the f I do?
Battery on a Leo.
Battery on the wall. I didn't touch nobody.
Yeah, you did.
Who?
It's on his body camera and
Who?
the Kroger
Who I
camera.
touched? Y'all sweet.
Y'all not taking both
Go,
my
buddy.
brother. Y'all would have
Sweet dog. But I didn't touch not a damn person.
So I said, I didn't even do
I'm not gonna do a step on my phone.
business.
Let him handcuff you. Don't do this.
Man, what the f you mean? I didn't touch no. Bro, that's family, man.
Do you want to get tased? Put your hand behind
Bro,
your
we
back.
didn't do anything. Exactly, bro. I'm just sitting.
No, y'all tweet.
Pull it behind you. There's the cuff right here.
Why y'all arresting them?
Obstruction.
Let me go, stop. Y'all got the handcuffs on off me. Y'all tweaking, cuz.
Tweak, but I'm not doing it. I'm sitting here. I ain't hitting nobody. I ain't touching nobody.
Bro, get off me. Bro, quit.
Stop resisting.
Stop me, man.
Stop resisting.
Man.
In the car.
Bro, I can get him. I'm so man.
Move your legs.
I'm trying to move.
Move your legs.
No.
Move your legs.
Man, you just scratched the out my face. Man, let me the go. Man, get these motherfuckers off me, man. Man, no one. Let me, bro. Y'all niggas rolling. You mama. Oh, got it. Oh. Get your ass off me, man. I'ma get up. Hold, move. Grab my phone, car. Don't touch my. I tweet out, man. Man, let me go, man. Y'all got me on the side. Move. Man, I don't give a fuck that. Huh? Man,
You're under arrest.
Get in the car. Take the take the badges off, car.
The suspects shown were arrested on felony obstruction and disorderly conduct charges. The suspects in this case are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.